Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to have fun with rhyming words.
Rhyming words? What are those, Mom?
Rhyming words are the words that sound the same at the end. Okay? Like dog and frog. Both end with the same sound. Now read the following sentences and can you hear which words rhyme? A frog on a dog. So, what are the rhyming words?
Frog and dog.
A bee in the sea.
B and C.
Very good. Now we have to use the pictures on the following slides and complete the rhyming sentences. Can you complete it?
A cat with a bat.
Awesome. Can you check this one?
A fly with a tie.
Amazing. Now this one.
A ant on a plant. A sheep on a jeep.
Wow, that's nice. And let's see the last one.
A bear under a chair.
Wow, fantastic. So we have learned a lot of rhyming pairs together. Amazing. So one was frog, dog, bee, sea, cat, bat, and plant, ant, fish, dish. There are so many rhyming words.
Rhyming is so much fun.
Great job learning rhyming words today, friends. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.